How to pin reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to pin reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone, and we can post reels on Instagram and they show on our profile. But we can also pin a reel on our profile. How to do that? Simply open up your profile. It will take you right here. I can switch to reels here and see the reels I have posted. Let's say I want to pin this one right here. So what you have to do is you will select the video, for example this one, click on these three dots, and then you will find these options such as remove from profile grid, archive, delete, and then we have pin to your profile. Click on pin to profile and your reel will be pinned to your profile. So let me actually go back now, and you can see the reel has pinned on my profile. It's a reel, you can see, and this is how you can pin reels on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.